Hi everyone, today we have not one, not two, but 3 items to unbox. Let's get on with it! Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ix on Tech. I am Ix, if you didn't know that already, if you've been watching all my episodes so far. So on today's episode we have one of these, we've got one of those, and one of that. So all these items, well, apart from that one, but these 2 items connect up to the Xiaomi gateway. Oh. So let's get the scissors. So this is a Yeelight smart bulb to go with the 3 I already have. It's the 10 watt version of the color bulb, the RGB, so this should be the white one. Whereas the older generation, the 9 watts have like a silver color base on them, but this one should have a white base. Ah, here's the silver base one I've got. Okay. I thought they were going to send me the 10 watt one. Oh, it does say 10 watt on the side. Good. 600, oh, it's equivalent to a 60 watt bulb. 10 watt gives off 800 lumens. I do believe the slightly older generation gave off something like 610 lumen. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. Let's open this up. So it's an E27 screw type bulb. So in the UK here we have a bayonet or a B22 type bulb connector. But don't worry, I've bought an adapter already. Ooh, the packaging has changed a lot since the first time I bought one. So you get a little user manual as well. Wow, Xiaomi are stepping up their game. Well done, Xiaomi and Yeelight. Oh, so this is a Mi bulb. Oh, there we go. There it is, if you haven't seen one already. So I'll gently place that to one side. This little packaging, wrapped up very well. You'd expect this on the bulb, but not this. This is, we finally got to it. It's the Aqara or the Xiaomi door sensor. So the idea is to have the bulb, smart bulb in the hallway, and this connected up to the front door, so that whenever you open the front door in the evening, for example, then it automatically switches on the lights. So of course I've already got the hub, which you can see sitting by there, hopefully. Can you? Yeah, just about. Ooh, very small. There's going to be a little code that you scan. Okay, fantastic. Look how small this is. Well, it's tiny. And there's the little magnetic bit. If I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's handy. Comes with a spare sticker pad to go on the back, just in case you need to move it to another door. And also comes with a little spare sticker pad to go on that one. Oh, it's already flashing. Ooh. Wonder what battery this takes. Not a CR2032, I bet. Nah, I'll do that in a minute. Fantastic. And then, last but not least, I'm hoping this is what I think it is. Yay! It is. It is as I expected. It's the Aqara double switch, and no English writing on this either. I wonder why it rattles. Anywho, let's open this up. This is the battery-powered Zigbee version to go with the Aqara, with the Xiaomi gateway. So this will go in the hallway to replace the hallway light and the landing light. Even they're on 2 separate switches, but I've already got a smart bulb on the landing with the human motion sensor, the PIR sensor from Xiaomi. That's up in the landing, on the landing area above the doorway. So as soon as you open your bedroom door, the landing light comes on, so you can go to the bathroom without having to fumble for a light switch wherever it is on the hall. So, ooh. Ooh. Ooh, can you hear that? Looking forward to setting all this up. What have we got? Ooh, nice. Some screws, so you can actually screw it over the existing light switch. Oh, nice thick sticky pad if you want to stick it to a wall instead. And some instructions. So this could turn out to be a little bit of a long video, just to warn you. Oh, the lights are flashing already. So why does it come with screws if there's no screw holes in the back? It's got the Aqara branding on the side. Let's see if we can take this apart. Tell you what, let's have a look at the instructions, shall we? Product information, button 1, button 2. Long press for 10 seconds to reset. Right, so we need to get... Oh, that's not going to move, which is fantastic. Right, so I have made a bayonet fitting to a UK plug. Let's get the scissors away. And I've also got the bulb adapter. Obviously you can buy these on eBay. This I think was £1.69. Just pop that in there. Let's set up the bulb first. Only joking. Although I did wire it up myself. Right, let's get the app on the go. Okay, so as you can see, I have a landing light, living room lamp, motion sensor, bedroom temperature, that's over there. The Mi Bluetooth sensor, which is downstairs in the living room. I've got 2 cubes. The bedroom light is now what's on top of the wardrobe. That's unplugged because I've got the studio light plugged in at the moment. And of course, the Mi control hub as well, which is up by there. So let's, ooh, wow. Right. So to reset this, you've got to turn it on and off 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. There we go. That's reset. Maybe 6 times now then. Right, so let's go back to the app. Let's click on add. Oh, okay, turn on Bluetooth then. So you want to add lighting, and this is a Yeelight color bulb. Oh, I think it's already found it. Is it? Device is nearby? No. Oh. Add. Lighting. Yeelight color bulb. It's going to give you the instructions on screen. So, yes, operation confirmed. Next. Scanning for device. Oh. It could be because I'm on... It's the Wi-Fi, of course. Only works with 2.4 gigahertz. Let me change Wi-Fi. There we go, probably find it now. So, top tip, if you're trying to add any smart home device, especially the bulbs, okay, they only work on 2.4 gigahertz. Right, tell you what, let's try the Yeelight app. Maybe it needs a software update. Right, connected successfully, done. Okay, let's turn this brightness down. There we go. Okay, well we've got the bulb. Unfortunately I can't connect it to the Mi app, so let's try the switch, shall we? Let's get the instructions for the switch. Yep. Let's go back to the Mi Home app. So we want power switch. Yep. Okay. Right, so it's flashing. Device is nearby. I'm searching for. Come on! Location wasn't on. This video is a bit of a bust today, isn't it? What?
多功能网关允许连入，多功能网关允许连入，连接成功。
Ooh. Device bound. Ooh, there we go. Right, hallway. Device name, switch. Yep. Thank goodness something is working. Hooray! Connected successfully. Okay, so add a scene. If hallway switch, press the right button, single press the right button, then landing light, turn on. Save. Save. Yay! Okay, let's see if we can add this light again, shall we? Let's reset it. Right, reset. Please work. Operation confirmed. Scan of the device. My eyes. It should work because I've now got GPS turned on. I don't know why I didn't turn it on in the first place. It's not working again. So I'm still on the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Everything is on. Bluetooth, GPS. I found the light switch. Oh, come on. Oh, you're so annoying. Right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to get a bulb that I know works with Mi Home app, so I'll be back now. Okay, so I'm back again. This is the Yeelight bulb this time from the landing that I know works with the Mi app. I don't know why this isn't. Ooh, right, so now I can show you. What did we set up earlier on? That button? Ooh, well, it did turn it on, didn't we? Let's let's set it up so it turns it off this time. Right, so switch. More options. Right, so add a scene. So add hallway switch. And the left button is pressed, then turn landing light off. Save. Save. Does it work? Oh. Okay. Yay. The power of smart. Right, I need to adjust that one then, don't I? If hallway switch, double press the right button, then hallway light, turn off. Save. Save. On. Off. On. Off. Hey. Happy! Right, let's go on to the door sensor. Right, so I managed to crack the back of this off, but I don't see how you reset it. Unless you poke something through there, but there's nothing useful to poke through the hole. Oh, you do as well. What did I have a reset pin on? Keep these in a safe place, you never know when you might need one. So this is like a SIM ejector tool. So I'm guessing you push and hold. Right, the blue light is flashing. Let's go back to the Mi app. Right, you want to add a sensor. Door. There we go. Aqara, it's a Mi one.
多功能网关允许连入。多功能网关允许连入。
Yeah, I've done it. So if anybody knows what she's saying, please leave in the comment below, because I have no idea what she's saying. So, okay, let's do it again then.
连接成功。
I think that's successful. Done. Right, so this is going to go in the hallway. Mi door sensor. Right, so what I'm going to do for now is connect it up to the hallway light. If you want to add a scene, let's pull this away. So if, here we go, door window sensor opens, then landing light, turn on. Save. Saving. Saving. Right, ready? Awesome. Okay, and then what else can we do? If Mi Home door sensor closes, then landing light turn off. Save. Okay. So we had this switch already set up, didn't we? So right, so that's off. So then if we open, the light comes on. And it should be, when we close, it turns it off. Oh, I've done it turn ons. Let's edit. So we need that to turn off. My bad. Still saying turn on though. On. Wow, that was quick. That's very quick. That's good. Okay, so I'm sorry, but this has been a long video to shoot. I've been going over, oh, crikey, I don't know how long, but that camera up there, that's run out of space to shoot on. I had to go searching for that, another bulb. Anyway, thank you very much for watching today's episode of the Xiaomi light switch, the double rocker, the bulb that I couldn't get connected to the Xiaomi Mi app, unfortunately, but I'll give that a go in a minute. And of course, the window and door sensor, which works very, very quickly. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down, and please write in the comments below why I didn't like this video. I'm trying to improve every video that I make for you to watch. If you'd like to subscribe, then please hit that subscribe button underneath. Every subscriber helps me, please. Thank you very much. If you want to contact me on Twitter or Facebook, then I am ixisOnTech. I'll catch you again on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you around. Bye-bye.